I woke up with bites all over my legs, and when I checked my mattress, I was shocked by what I found. I discovered a couple of small bed bugs stuck to my mattress, and that wasn't nice at all. But do you think bed bugs only infest dirty homes? Think again. What if I told you that everything you've heard about bed bugs is wrong? What I discovered might just shock you. Welcome to this eye-opening video, where we're diving deep into the world of bed bugs. This is the Learning Channel. Thanks for being here. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Today, we're debunking the biggest myths and showing you the real truth about these pesky invaders. Bed bugs are a topic that often sparks fear and confusion. Many people hold misconceptions about these pesky pests, believing they only infest dirty homes or that they are impossible to eliminate. In this video, we aim to debunk these myths and provide you with a clearer understanding of bed bug behavior and effective control methods. Knowing the truth about bed bugs is crucial for prevention and treatment. We promise to share surprising insights and practical tips that will empower you to tackle any bed bug issue confidently. So stay tuned as we unravel the facts and help you protect your home from these unwelcome guests. But what are bed bugs? What do? Bed bugs are nocturnal creatures that thrive in warm, dark environments, making your bed and surrounding areas their preferred habitats. They feed on human blood, typically at night, using their specialized mouthparts to pierce the skin and draw blood. Many people mistakenly believe that bed bugs only infest dirty spaces, but they can thrive in any environment where humans sleep. By understanding their behavior and feeding habits, you can better protect yourself and your home from these pests. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of these little creatures. You've probably heard that bed bugs are a sign of a dirty home, right? Wrong. These sneaky critters can hide in any environment. In this video, you'll learn exactly how bed bugs operate and why your home might be at risk, even if it's spotless. The truth is that bed bugs don't care how clean your home is. They can thrive anywhere humans sleep, but we can keep them under control. There are many myths surrounding bed bugs that can lead to unnecessary fear and confusion. In this segment, we'll explore these myths in detail and provide you with the evidence needed to combat misinformation. One common myth is that bed bugs only infest dirty homes, but in reality, they can thrive in any environment regardless of cleanliness. Another misconception is that bed bugs transmit diseases. However, scientific studies show they are not known to spread any diseases to humans. Unlike ticks or mosquitoes, which are fearsome disease-transmitting agents, bed bugs are quite harmless, although their bites are unpleasant and can cause allergies in some people. By relying on facts rather than fear, you can better understand these pests and take appropriate action. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and dispel these misconceptions once and for all. There are so many urban myths out there that just aren't true, like the one that says bed bugs spread diseases. Remember, that's completely false. We're going to bust these myths wide open and give you the facts you need to protect yourself. Ever wonder if those bed bug repellents actually work? When they are put to the test, the results might surprise you. When it comes to eliminating bed bugs, offensive strategies are essential for effective control. Regular vacuuming is crucial, as it helps remove bed bugs and their eggs from carpets, furniture, and other surfaces. Properly vacuum infested areas to maximize effectiveness. Among the top solutions, diatomaceous earth stands out for its ability to dehydrate and kill bed bugs upon contact. Additionally, exposing bed bugs to hot temperatures above 49 degrees Celsius or 120 Fahrenheit can effectively eliminate them. Steaming is an excellent method for killing bed bugs instantly. By employing these strategies, you can take decisive action against bed bugs and reclaim your space. Other systems, like pesticides, are dangerous to humans or simply a waste of time. And here's something most people don't realize. Prevention is your best defense. We're talking mattress encasements, high-temp laundry tricks, and even the magic of decluttering. The fewer places bed bugs have to hide, the safer your home will be. Preventing bedbug infestations is crucial for maintaining a comfortable living space. One effective strategy is using encasements for your mattresses and pillows, which create a barrier that prevents bedbugs from entering or escaping. Additionally, regularly drying your clothes at high temperatures can kill any bedbugs or eggs that may be hiding in your laundry. It's also important to emphasize decluttering as a key prevention strategy. The less clutter you have, the fewer hiding spots there are for these pests. By implementing these practical tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of a bedbug infestation and keep your home safe and comfortable. If you've already got a bedbug problem, don't panic. Put into practice the best defensive strategies, like vacuuming, using diatomaceous earth, and steam cleaning. These tips will help you reclaim your space in no time. If what we want is to prevent infestations, it is best to use mattress encasements, regularly dry clothes at high temperatures, and declutter to reduce hiding spots. Remember, the key to keeping bedbugs at bay is knowing the facts and taking action. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with anyone who needs to see it. Together, we can spread the truth and help everyone sleep a little easier. Thanks for watching, and stay bedbug free.